Hello, today I will be showing you how to use our Roland direct-to-garment printer.
First things first, check out a print frame, laptop, and power on the machine. There's a button above for the printer and below for the heater. Next, we're going to preheat the heater. Set the heat to high. While the heater is preheating, use the clear plastic rectangle and the heat-sensitive pen to map out where you want to print. Now, based on those markings, place your t-shirt in the print frame. Use the letters on the board to orient your design and tuck the remaining shirt around the top and close the lid. Once you are happy with where you are going to print, the shirt needs to be ironed. With the heat on high, set time to short. Place the print frame in the heater, close it, and move the handle to the left to iron. Open the Roland design software and click Advanced Designer. Select your garment type and orientation. The size is always A4. Click OK, then upload your design. Now place it how you want. You can also adjust the contrast and the brightness if you feel necessary. Plug in the USB cable to your laptop and place the frame in the top. Time to hit print. Press print again if you have more pieces to print. Once it's done, take it out and place it in the heater. Make sure the temperature is still set to high, time to short, and move the handle to the right. This will dry the ink. After 30 seconds, change the time to medium and move the handle to the left to iron for 3 minutes. Now your shirt is cured and safe to wash. Here's the finished product if you want to check it out. Look at that. Woohoo!
Well guys, that wraps up the tutorial for the direct-to-garment printer. Sure came out pretty nice. Hope this helped. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.